Hey there. Today I want to share a beautiful verse from the Bible that speaks straight to the heart. It's Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Think about that for a moment. The Lord is near. This isn't a distant God, but one who draws close to those who are hurting. He doesn't stand afar, but enters into our pain, offering solace and comfort. The brokenhearted. This describes a soul that is wounded, weary, and filled with sorrow. It's a universal experience, a shared human condition that God understands deeply. He saves the crushed in spirit. God doesn't just offer words of comfort. He actively intervenes to heal and restore. He saves us from the depths of our despair, bringing us back to life and hope. This verse is like a warm embrace, a gentle touch from God Himself, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. God sees our pain and He knows our hearts. He understands our deepest hurts and offers us solace. His love is a source of healing. God's love is a powerful balm for our wounds. It has the power to mend our broken hearts and restore our crushed spirits. Hope is always possible. Even in the darkest of times, God offers hope and a future filled with His love and His blessings. So lean into God's love. Find solace in His presence. Trust that He will bring you through your trials and tribulations. May these words bring you peace, comfort and hope. Thanks for watching. At Words of God the Truth.